हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ ललित सिंह मेहता एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज हम देखने वाले हैं बेसिकली अबाउट लेथ मशीन विच इज़ अ वेरी हैवी ड्यूटी मशीन यूज्ड इन मशीनिंग प्रोसेसेस, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट important devices used in mechanical engineering for doing various type of machining processes. And here with us is Jagdish Kelkar sir, who is our main instructor for the today's लेक्चर, और वो हमको बताएंगे कि ये मशीन की स्पेशलिटी क्या है। तो सर आप बता सकते हैं कि ये मशीन बेसिकली यूज़ क्यों होता है और क्या क्या इसके इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स हैं।
See, this is a lathe machine and this is the oldest machine and mother of all machines as it is called. And on this, as we see the various rotating parts in engines, machines, pumps, etc. All those rotating parts we can do on this machine. You can see a job raw material is fitted here in this chuck.
Okay.
And further operations I will explain you. First let us see the basic components of this machine. This portion is called as headstock.
Headstock. Okay.
Headstock.
Okay.
Inside there is a spindle that rotates through these pulleys and motor. The motion is transmitted to this spindle, and on this spindle a chuck is mounted on this side,
okay,
on which you can hold the job.
Okay.
Other end of the job is supported with a tailstock here.
Okay, this part is called as tailstock.
Tailstock.
Okay.
And this is the conical end. You can see this will enter in the center that we are going to drill in this, so that the job is supported at both the ends.
Okay.
Okay. Then various other important parts are this lead screw.
Okay.
This is used mainly for threading purpose.
Okay, threading.
Threading means thread cutting, like nut bolts में जो
Okay,
thread
okay.
होते हैं, those threads. Then this is the carriage. You can move it either side,
Okay.
and this is the bed on which the bed
Okay.
on which the carriage is sliding.
Okay.
This portion is called as apron.
Which sir?
This portion
Okay.
is called as apron.
Apron.
Hmm.
And cutting tool.
And this is your cutting tool. You can see.
Okay.
You can move it in various angles. There
Okay.
are two tools fitted in this tool post.
Okay.
This is called as tool post. Then this is a longitudinal slide.
Okay.
So all along the length of the bed you can slide the carriage. This is called as cross slide.
Okay.
You can move the tool perpendicular to the job.
Okay.
And this is a compound slide.
Okay.
With the help of compound slide you can do the taper turning operations, etc. And you can see the graduations marked on this.
Yes. Graduations are marked.
So we can swivel this whole thing
Okay.
in like this to open this bolt nut, and this will be rotating. So you set the angle, again tighten this so that desired taper angle.
Okay, the tapers can be also be formed on this machine actually.
Yeah.
With the help of this angles.
This angle and this compound slide. You
Okay.
can move it slowly by hand and do the taper turning. I will show you one example. You can see in this job
Okay.
the tapering operation. Diameter
Yes, yes, this is the
less here
taper,
and
yes. There is one bigger diameter and a smaller diameter.
smaller.
So this is the taper.
So from these two diameters and length of the taper, we can calculate the angle at which it is to be set. Then this is called as threading.
Okay, this part is called as threading. Okay.
And this is done mainly with the help of this lead screw.
Okay.
Lead screw plays very important role.
Okay.
Then on the back side,
Okay. What is
you
this?
come to the back side. This is the spindle. On
Okay.
this one gear is there.
Okay.
And you can see various gears. Actually a gear train
Okay.
going up to the lead screw.
Yes.
So if you change the gears, you can change the speed of the lead screw
Okay.
in with respect to the spindle,
Okay.
and accordingly various threads can be cut.
Okay. So
On the job.
okay. Speed variations can be done from here.
Lead screw variation.
Okay. Lead screw
And
variation.
there is a chart here.
Yes.
You can see it closely,
Yes.
and it is mentioned for different threads which gears are to be fixed in various positions,
Yes.
A, B, C, D, etc.
Yes.
So if we change the gears like this, now in case of some non-standard gears you have to cut,
Okay.
then that also can be cut. We have done a non-standard threading of 1.25 inches pitch
Okay.
on this machine by
Okay.
changing the gears as per our requirement.
So what is this part? This assembly?
This is the step cone pulley.
Okay.
This is also a step cone pulley fitted
Okay.
on the spindle, and this step cone pulley gets the motion from this motor backside.
Okay. Yes.
From this motor, the motion is transmitted to this from here to here, and you can see the grooves are in steps.
Yes.
Huh? So bigger pulley here, smaller pulley in front of it. So if you change the belts in these 4 pulleys, then you can get the various speeds.
Okay. Changing
For
the
changing the
speeds.
spindle speed,
Okay. Spindle speed. This speeds
Yeah.
can be changed with the help of this
this belt changing.
belt changes. Okay. And sir, operations can be done in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise.
No, clock operations are done in clockwise direction only,
Okay.
because the cutting point of the tool is up.
Okay.
So if it rotates in this direction,
Okay.
then only this will hit the
Okay,
job,
yes,
and
correct.
then cutting is possible.
Correct.
If you rotate it inward, ulta direction,
Yes.
reverse direction, then you can see there is a slope here.
Yes.
The tool will slip
Ah, yes. There is a slope.
at the bottom,
Yes,
and
yes.
there will be no cutting. So cutting
Okay.
is done in this forward direction only.
Okay.
This
Any other part which is left?
So this is the important part. This is
Okay.
called a chaser dial.
Okay.
This is used for threading operation.
Okay. Threading operations.
Threading operation. Okay. Then this is also used for threading purpose. This lever
Okay.
for threading. For automatic feed, we use this lever,
Okay.
this wheel, and with this automatic feed can be given.
Okay. So this is the basic construction and assembly of a lathe machine.
Correct.
And now we can see some operations to be performed here.
You can see.
Okay, now we will see some operations being performed on this lathe. So sir, guys, Arun sir is with us, the instructor, and he will show us the facing operation. Facing operation कैसे करते हैं lathe के ऊपर अभी हम देखेंगे. So here is the switches which we have to on, and now the facing operation starts. You can see first the tool is placed perfectly. Now this is the facing operation. Facing operation.
You can see the tool point is exactly at the center of axis of rotation.
Okay, sir.
So we have to make a center drill first here.
Okay.
This is a special type of center drill, you can see, not like our simple drills.
Okay. So central drilling is done like this. Central drilling. So this is the process of central drilling which we are doing now. So our central drilling is done now.
We have to apply some grease here,
Okay.
okay, and then fix the dead center here or revolving center here,
Okay.
maybe. So we will put the revolving center in the tailstock and then See, the revolving center is being put in the.
Okay, now the revolving center is being put inside that hole. So what is the purpose of putting this?
Supporting the job at other end. Now we
Okay.
can take the job out,
Okay,
a longer part, hold a small part in this,
okay,
the chuck, and then this end will be also supported.
okay. So this part is basically to hold this workpiece, so that the operation goes smooth without any vibrations and all.
Right.
Now we are going for the turning operation.
The marking is being done on the job.
Okay.
Marking is being done. You can see the marking.
Okay, the marking is done now. Marking.
So you can turn from here up to the marking.
Okay.
From here to here you can do. So
Okay.
that the tool post will not hit the rotating chuck.
Okay.
That is the thing.
So this is the turning operation.
So this was the workpiece that we have turned and facing done and center drilling done here. And now from this we will be making a job like this.
Okay, so this is the
So,
complete product.
This is the complete final job.
Okay.
Product you can say. So in this the threading operation is there, grooving operation is there. Here a groove is made. Then this is the taper turning operation.
Okay.
Correct. Then this size is made, and knurling operation is also
Okay,
there.
knurling is also there.
Huh. So like this various basic operations we are showing to the students, so that based on this they can develop further operations as per the requirement of bigger jobs.
Okay, so you have seen the final product from the initial product, and the machining been done by Arun sir, Kelkar sir and Patil sir. So thank you very much sir for showing us this lathe machine operation and construction. And guys, thank you for watching the video.